Most people think manufacturing businesses fail because orders dry up. But in reality, many factories collapse when orders are actually coming in. Hello, I am Shrikant Prabhudesai. I work with B2B manufacturing businesses to improve delivery, control costs, and bring stability to operations. Low orders are visible. Everyone reacts quickly. Costs are cut, teams get careful, and cash is protected. The real danger comes when orders increase. More orders often expose weak systems. Poor planning leads to missed deliveries. Bulk buying blocks cash. Overtime increases, quality slips, and rework rises. On paper, revenue looks strong, but cash starts disappearing. Another issue is pricing. In the rush to win orders, margins get sacrificed. Businesses stay busy but don't earn enough per order to absorb inefficiencies. Over time, stress increases while profits shrink. What actually breaks businesses is uncontrolled growth without process discipline. When delivery, cost, and cash are not managed together, higher order volume accelerates problems instead of solving them. So, if your business feels stressed, even with a healthy order book, don't blame the market. Look at your systems. Sustainable manufacturing success comes from handling growth well, not just getting more orders.